Hey food lovers, are you tired of spending hours in the kitchen or hitting the drive-thru after a long day? Well, I'm here to show you that whipping up a delicious meal at home doesn't have to take forever. In fact, let's dive into some mouth-watering dishes that you can make in just 10 minutes. Yes, you heard that right, 10 minutes flat. First up, let's talk about a classic with a twist, the gourmet grilled cheese. Start with some high-quality bread, maybe sourdough or a nice ciabatta. Butter it up and slap it on a hot pan. Now, here's where you can get creative. Throw in cheeses like Gouda, cheddar or even brie. Add some caramelized onions or a slice of tomato for that extra zing. Grill until golden brown and voila, a cheesy masterpiece in under 10 minutes. Next, how about a quick and easy stir fry? Grab whatever veggies you have in the fridge, bell peppers, broccoli, snap peas, you name it. Slice them up. Heat some oil in a pan, toss those veggies in and give them a good stir. Then add some pre-cooked chicken or tofu. Splash in some soy sauce, a bit of ginger, a sprinkle of garlic powder and stir until everything's nicely mixed. Serve it over pre-cooked rice and there you go, a flavorful stir fry in no time. And we can't forget about breakfast. Who says you can't have breakfast for dinner? Let's whip up a smoothie bowl. Blend some frozen berries, a banana and a splash of almond milk. Pour it into a bowl and top it with granola, coconut flakes and a drizzle of honey. It's not only quick, but also refreshing and packed with nutrients. There you have it, folks. 3 fast, simple, and utterly delicious dishes that you can make in just 10 minutes. Who knew fast food could be this good and homemade? So next time you're thinking about what to cook, remember these quick fixes that are sure to impress both your taste buds and your clock. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty recipes and cooking tips. Happy cooking, and see you in the next video.